So this talk is very different from the other talks that I've managed to dip into during the conference. I've really enjoyed them, but they're very technical, and my approach is very human-centered. So I'm really looking forward to telling you all about it, but don't expect to see much technical detail here. I am at University of Strathclyde, but I'm also affiliated with Rhodes University in South Africa and Abertay University in Dundee, where I worked up to December. So I want to talk today about accessible cybersecurity, and it's essentially just a talk I've put together to try to raise awareness of this particular issue. So we're all aware that cybersecurity is becoming a bigger and bigger issue every day. We're all aware of the SolarWinds attack that we're, massive number of businesses across the US, but, it also affects us, people, at home. They're saying that hackers attack every 39 seconds and that many companies, over half of companies, have experienced social engineering attacks within the year that the Ponemon Institute did this survey. But what I discovered yesterday when I found this article, that hackers are targeting those of us working from home. So in essence, initially, when cybersecurity kind of launched, maybe 20, 25 years ago, it was a technical game. And, everything was, if you could just put the right technical aspects in place, then you'd have security. But very soon, hackers realized they could target humans because it was a lot harder to secure the human. And the book I've displayed on the right was one of the first books I read when I started becoming interested in this area, which is by Kevin Mitnick, who really describes about how he used to start hacking humans. And after this realization came, the people and the processes in organizations became more important. Now, this was becoming clear in industry. This is a picture of Bruce Schneier, who's a very well-known cryptographer, who was very technically focused, but he has now moved over to the human side of things, as well as technical security, saying that when you have any solution that you come up with in the cyber field has to target people as well as the math problem. Now, interestingly, at the same time, roundabout, these two ladies, Anne Adams and Martina Zase, were publishing this paper, which is a seminal paper in my field, saying that use is not the enemy. This was one of the first papers, and it launched an entire field. So what we generally try to do on the side of human-centered security is we try to create in people's minds the want to behave securely. And this is called awareness raising, where you explain to people what can go